Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw a lollipop in Affinity. So let's get started. First, I'll go to the Shape tool and select Spiral tool. I'll draw the spiral like this. Go to the Context toolbar and change turns to 3. Then I'll change stroke width to 50 point and change the color to pink. After that, I'll grab the stroke width tool. I'll zoom in. I'll decrease the size of the outer point and increase the size of the inner point. Let me zoom out. Now I'll grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle. I remove the stroke and change the fill color to light pink. Then I'm going to change the dimension of the circle. So I'll go to the transform panel, lock the aspect ratio, and change the width and height to 500 pixels. Then I'll select the spiral and drag it into the circle layer. Now I'll grab the move tool and drag the spiral so it matches the size of the circle. Now I'm going to add a highlight right here. So I'll grab the pen tool and draw a line. Now to end the line, just press escape. Next, I'll change the stroke color to white and make it a bit transparent. Now I'm going to curve the line, so I'll select the node tool and drag it like this. Now I'll select the stroke width tool, zoom in a bit, click this point and increase the width. Now this point and decrease it a little. Now I'm going to adjust the curve so it matches the spiral better. So I'll grab the node tool and drag this handle a little. Then I'll drag this handle as well. Next, I'm gonna add another highlight here. So I'll grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Then I'll remove the stroke color and change the fill color to white. Also make it a little transparent. I'll select the move tool, move it a bit, zoom out, and now our highlight is done. Now I'm gonna add a shadow right here. So I'll grab the pen tool and draw a shape. I'll click here and here to draw a line. Then I'll close the line by clicking on the starting point. Now even if you cannot see it yet, it's actually a shape. So I'll grab the node tool and drag it like this. Also this one, I remove the stroke color and change the fill color to a slightly darker pink. Now I'll drag it into the circle layer as well, just like the spiral. After that, I'll adjust the shadow so it matches the circle. Now it looks fine. Now I'm gonna make it a bit transparent as well. So I'll select the shadow, click the color box and drag the opacity down a little. Next I'm gonna draw the stick. So I'll grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle right here. And align it to center. I'll increase the height a little and change the color to gradient. I'll click this gradient stop and change it to light blue. Then this stop and change it to a darker blue. Then I'm gonna right click on it Select Arrange and set it to back. Now I'll switch to the Move tool, select the Lollipop, and group them. I'll align it to center, move it upward, then I'll grab the stick and move it upward as well. I'll increase the height again so it looks more proportional. Let's zoom the bottom part of the stick. Then I'll grab the corner tool and make both corners rounded. Let's zoom out and our lollipop is done. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.